How long this course takes to complete depends entirely on how much time you choose to invest. It can be finished within a couple of days or an entire week. I've structured the course in a way that the theory and the building part is done side by side, section by section. You can of course jump ahead and only watch the build logs first and then come back to the theory bits. How long it takes to build the actual quadcopter will depend on how much experience you have doing similar projects. So for example, if you have never done anything similar, I suggest you take it slow and understand everything to make sure you possess excellent working knowledge, which will save you a lot of wondering and hair pulling later. So make sure you don't skip ahead if you're just starting off with this hobby. It's a lot easier to build something when you understand where everything goes and what it does, which will also make troubleshooting a lot easier as well. Just like learning any new skill, it takes a bit of time to become fluent at it. I know when we first start this hobby, we really just want to build a quadcopter and start flying immediately. But be patient, learn everything you can. It will definitely be useful in the longer run.